Good morning, my little sunshine.
Good morning, Mommy.
Ready for a wonderful day?
Yay, let's play. I love your hugs.
And I love you, my baby. Today, you will do Mommy's job.
Really? That sounds easy. I'm gonna be just like Mommy.
Let's see how your adventure goes.
Wow, Mommy has 4 hands.
No, sweetie, just lots of practice.
Uh-oh.
That's one way to decorate the ceiling.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Accidents happen. We clean them together.
Mommy doesn't waste time getting upset. She teaches with love.
Mommy is amazing. Mommy, you keep working.
There are still lots of little things to do.
Ah! I picked up one!
Toys love to hide everywhere. One toy at a time.
I can do it! The dust is running away!
Let's catch it together.
Whoa!
The towels caught you.
It's so heavy!
Laundry gets heavier every day.
Mine looks different.
That's how we learn.
Puppy was hungry too.
Everyone needs someone to care for them. Plants need love too.
Hello, little flowers. Mommy, you help everyone. Mommy! Everything needs you.
One thing at a time, sweetheart.
I almost forgot my lunch.
Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's okay, little one. You made the baby smile. Thank you, dear. You're welcome.
Can I help?
Yes! You can put the spoons on the table.
Mommy,
Are you tired?
a little. Mommy, you've been helping everyone all day.
For the very first time, the little bunny truly understood how much love filled Mommy's day.
Splash!
Not too much water.
Bath time is fun!
Brush up, brush down.
Huh?
Sparkly clean teeth.
Ready for bedtime!
Almost, little bunny.
One more story, please.
Just one more.
Mommy is still working. Mommy worked all day, just for our family. Thank you, Mommy!
You're my greatest blessing.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you forever.